we're going to discuss all about domain and range. So the problem that we need to solve is about f of x is equal to x negative 2 over x negative 3. So to solve that, we need to find the domain. So the domain is our denominator. So our denominator is x negative 3. So domain. So x negative 3 is equal to 0. So to solve that, to ibalhin ang negative 3 sa ubos. So x is equal to positive 3. So na positive siya pagbalhin nato. Kahit daan naman siya negative, pagbalhin mahimo siyang positive. So our domain is x is equal to negative 3. Then write our domain as x such as x is an element of real number where x is not equal to positive 3. Next, we need to find the range. So to find the range is we need to copy our problem. F of x is equal to x negative 2 over x negative 3. So to solve that, this f of x is, we need to change this into y. And then copy this. X is negative 2 over x negative 3. So to solve that, we need to cross multiply. So we need to imagine that there are imaginary 1 in lower of y. So first we need to cross multiply the y, multiply to x negative 3 is equal to 1 multiply to x negative 2. So we need to multiply this. So y is multiplied to x is equal to xy. Then y is multiplied to negative 3 is negative 3y equal to 1 multiplied to x is x, 1 multiplied to negative 2 is negative 2. Then to solve that, sunod para makuha na to answer diri is di na nato kopyahon tanan x. So ang kopyahan na nato ang dili x. So y is negative 1. Anong na negative 1 kay known naman ni siya nga 1 ang x kaya na siya imaginary 1 sa kilid equal 3y negative 2. Dayon divide na to ang y negative 1 para mabilin si x. So y negative 1, y negative 1. So ito siya i-cancel para mabilin si x. Then equal, kopya na lang din 3x 3y negative 2 over y negative 1. Pero dili pa ni siya mao answer. So para makuha na natong answer, mutanaw ta sa denominator. So atong denominator is y negative 1. So y negative 1 is equal to 0. Para makuha nato ni pariha ra gyapon siya sa domain kani. So pagbalhin nahimong positive. So diari negative siya, pagbalhin nahimong positive. So y is equal to positive. So, mauna ni atong final answer. Dayon pareho na to siya ni. Pero ilisa na to y ang x. So y such that y is an element of real number wherein y is not equal to positive 1. So that's the final answer.